right, you guys, let's go ahead and cook these shrimp tacos. Now, the next step is to cut your peppers. After you cut the top off, you will want to get the seeds from the inside and then rinse that pepper off again. Make sure all the seeds are out of it. Dang, girl. How long was you washing that pepper? All right. When you're chopping your peppers, make sure you're slicing them in thin slices. I mean, if you want to dice them, dice them. Use your shrimp taco, so do whatever makes you feel good. But I prefer them sliced because I'm using them for tacos. Okay, girl, I see you with those nails. Come through. All right, now we're gonna start on these yellow peppers and make sure you take the seed out and rinse that as well. And after we chop these, we're gonna put this in a bag for another meal. We're just about to continue this for the rest of the peppers. Deseed, pull the seeds out, and chop them up. All right, now it's time to chop that red onion. Knife is a little dull. Let me switch my knives up right quick. There we go. This might not do too bad, but we're gonna fight through it. You know, we're gonna get teary-eyed for just a moment, but after you cut the onions, you'll be great. We're also going to put the rest of this onion up for another meal as well. Make sure you cut all the onion up. Alright, had to do a quick wardrobe change, but this is what we're about to do. We're about to detail the shrimp. It's going to take you a little time, but I promise you, it's going to be worth it in the end. All right, girl, you halfway there. Just a little more. That should be enough shrimp. It's only 2 of us eating this, so I'm gonna put the rest of it. Remember, you're gonna need 2 pans, one for the shrimp and one for the tortillas. Alright, you want to add a little oil to the shrimp and mix it up with your hands. But first, let's clean the shrimp. And then, alrighty, now let's add that oil, mix it up with your hands, add a little paprika. I'm going to give that a stir as well. Alright, let's add a little garlic powder, add a little stir, add a little more. Then you're going to add a little Italian seasoning. Then add a little cumin. I don't put that much cumin in it. I'm going to stir that up as well. Always got to add a little Mrs. Dash. And lime juice. Now we can add our vegetables in and let that cook for a moment. Add a little chili to ours because we like a little kick to our tacos, so you can't go wrong with a little chili. Alright, we're going to put that lid on and let the vegetables cook. Let it marinate all together. Alright, now we're going to add our shrimp, all of it in there. And then we're going to add some more. Come on now, girl. Can't go wrong with all that shrimp. You're going to pour the juice on the rest of it. Come on. Next, you want to add some more vegetables to your shrimp. I'm going to add a little more paprika, a little more garlic, a little more Italian seasoning. Now you got to understand that your shrimp hold water, so it's going to be a lot of moisture in the pan once you make sure when it's cooking that you keep checking on your shrimp. You don't want to overcook your shrimp, so just keep giving it a little stir and pull the ones from the bottom onto the top so you won't overcook it. And like I said, you want to keep watching your shrimp, making sure you don't overcook it. So keep giving it a little stir. Keep peeking in at it. Just make sure you don't overcook it. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. Wouldn't be good. All right, it's starting to look very good. You want to add a little more Italian seasoning to it. All right, you want to put very little oil when you're cooking your tortillas. You don't want to burn it. You don't want to overcook it. Very little oil in it. You're going to place the tortilla in the pan after it heats up. Let it cook on that. Then you want to flip it again and let that cook as well. Now, you want to make sure that each side is cooked to a way that you're going to be pleased. So with that, put your shrimp on it, your lettuce, your sour cream, anything you like for a taco you could put on it to make sure you enjoy your meal. So make sure you leave a comment at the end of the video and tell me how your taco came out.